Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can change your name in VRChat. So first you will need to exit VRChat and you have to open your browser. So in the search bar you have to search for vrchat.com and then search for it. And click on the first link, which is the official website of VRChat. So once you are on the site, log in to the VRChat account where you want to change your name. Just simply tap on to login, and from there you have to enter your username, your password, or also you can create an account if you want. You have to enter your display name, your email, your password, and then you have to tap onto your birth date. Wait, just let me choose my password right now. And then I'm gonna re-enter my password right here. And then you have to enter your birth date, and let's check these icons and verify this captcha. So the first one might be okay. Um, so I don't know. So you just have to verify your captcha and then you have to create your account. So after logging in, you can only change your name once every 90 days, okay? So also you can change your name from here, display name, just you can create an account with your name, like new name, and once you change your name, your old may become available to others, so you might not be able to get it back. So now enter your new display name and you can type in your account password and then click change display name. So that is now your name will now appear in VRChat. So that was it. If this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.